Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza faster. To begin, choose a pre-made pizza dough or a convenient ready-to-bake crust. This instantly shaves off significant time. Next, grab your favorite store-bought pizza sauce. There's no need to spend extra minutes simmering one from scratch. Finally, ensure all your toppings are prepped and measured before you even start assembling. This organized approach sets you up for a speedy pizza experience. Once your base is ready, an efficient topping strategy is key. Have all your vegetables, meats, and other ingredients pre-sliced and diced. Arrange them neatly in small bowls, creating an assembly line for quick application. Apply your sauce and cheese evenly and swiftly across the crust. This method minimizes fumbling and ensures a balanced, delicious pizza without delay. For a truly fast pizza, high-heat baking is essential. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, or even higher if your oven allows, for at least 30 minutes. A preheated pizza stone or steel will give you that desirable crispy crust in less time. Bake your pizza for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, keeping an eye on it until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. After your pizza emerges from the oven, smart serving and cleanup can save you even more time. Use a sharp pizza cutter to make quick, even slices, ensuring everyone gets a perfect piece. Serve your delicious creation immediately to enjoy its optimal freshness and warmth. For cleanup, try wiping down your prep surfaces as you go, making the post-meal tidying much simpler and faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.